So the next question, from the following data, calculate value of output. So value of output we have to calculate particulars value and rupees has given to you. NBFC 100, intermediate consumption 75, GST 20, subsidy 5 and depreciation 10. Clear? So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate value of output. So same formula, value is equal to value of output minus intermediate consumption. Clear? So value was not given to you. So like the previous question, you have to find out value added. We know that value added equal to GVA MP, gross value added at market price. Value added equal to GVA MP. So we have to find out value added or GVA MP. We have to find out from NBFC whose value was given to you. So from NBFC to GVA from net to gross, what we have to do? Plus depreciation. From net to gross plus depreciation, BA cancel हो गया. Factor cost, market price, what we have to do? Plus NIT. So NBFC value which is 100 plus depreciation 10 plus indirect tax subsidy. NIT का वैल्यू डायरेक्टली गिवन नहीं है, बट हमें indirect tax GS और subsidy मिला है. Indirect tax means GST is our indirect tax. GST और subsidy दोनों मिला है. So indirect tax value which is GST which is 20 minus subsidy value is given to you 5. So 100 plus 10 plus 15. So 100 plus 25 equal to 125. Clear? So 125 जो वैल्यू क्या होगी, क्या मिला? वैल्यू रेट मिला 125 equal to value of output minus intermediate consumption. So 125 equal to value of output minus intermediate consumption value is given to you which is 75 minus 75. So 125 plus 75 equal to value of output, or value of output equal to 125 plus 75. value of output कितना होगा? 200. वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करने के लिए बोला क्या है? वैल्यू ऑफ आउटपुट बोला. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ आउटपुट इक्वल टू 200. इन दिस प्रोसेस वी कैन कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ आउटपुट फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग पार्टिकुलर्स. नेक्स्ट और एक प्रॉब्लम करते हैं. So the next question, calculate or from the following data calculate net value added at market price or NVMT you have to find out. So the particulars are given to you: sales, change in stock, depreciation, NIT, purchase of machinery and purchase of intermediate product. Sales value 400, change in stock minus 20, depreciation 30, NIT 40, purchase of machinery 200, purchase of intermediate product 250. So what we have to find out or what we have to calculate? Net value added at market price or NVMT कितना है? NVMT हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. पहले GVMT करेंगे, यानी कि सेम फॉर्मूला वैल्यू added equal to value of output minus intermediate consumption. So value of output equal to value added equal to value of output means what you have to keep sales plus change in stock minus intermediate consumption. Clear? Sales plus change in stock minus intermediate consumption. So sales value is given to you which is 400 plus change in stock minus 20 plus minus 20 minus intermediate consumption. Which value we have to take from intermediate consumption? Here purchase of machinery value 200 and purchase of intermediate product 250. Machinery value we have to skip it because purchase of machinery will be counted in final good, not intermediate good. So final good, we no need to take final good over here because intermediate consumption is there. Any kind of particular such as purchase of raw materials or purchase of any intermediate product will be counted in intermediate consumption. So purchase of machinery value, you have to skip it. Purchase of intermediate product the value is given to you 250. So minus 250 equal to 400 plus minus 20 minus 250. 400 minus 270 equal to 130. So 130 जो मिला हमें क्या मिला? वैल्यू एडेड मिला. वैल्यू एडेड कितना मिला? 130. Clear? Means GBAMP value added is otherwise known as GBAMP. फुल नॉलेज कितना मिला? 130. क्वेश्चन में क्या कैलकुलेट करने के लिए बोला है? NBMP. So what we have to do? GBAMP to NBMP. GBAMP to NBMP or to. So GBA DA cancel हो गया. मार्केट प्राइस also cancel हो गया. From gross to net means what we have to do? Minus depreciation. So GBMP minus depreciation equal to NBMP हमें मिल जाएगा. So 130 GBMP value मिला हमें minus depreciation that was given to you, which is depreciation 30. 130 minus 30 equal to 100 is that. So 100 is the value मिला हमें क्या मिला? NBMP. So here we can mention NBMP equal to 100. NBMP equal to 100. समझ में आ गया? So ये प्रोसेस में हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. We will do so many types of limited problem of value-added method. So right now we are discussing about value-added method, means which is known as production method. Apart from that, income method is there, how we can calculate. Expenditure method is there, how we can calculate from expenditure method, from income method, from value-added method. After doing some numerical problem of value-added method, we will clarify about that, and which type of questions will come in the exam, we can easily attain that type of question. So if we do practice, then we can easily calculate all the problems related to value-added method of calculating national income. ठीक है? So next problem करते हैं. So the next question number 6. From the following data, calculate sales. So what we have to find out? We have to calculate sales. Sales value कितना है हमें find out करना है. Particular value is given to you, subsidy 200, opening stock 100, closing stock 600, intermediate consumption 3000, consumption of fixed capital 700, profit 750, and NBFC 2000. So all the value is given to you. So from the value you have to find out sales only. So formula put करेंगे, value added equal to value of output minus intermediate consumption. Clear? Value added equal to value of output minus intermediate consumption. So first of all we have to find out value of output. After that, from value of output we have to find out sale. So this problem is little bit complicated. So no difficulty is there. Value added equal to value of output minus intermediate consumption. So value added that was not given to you in the question. So first of all we have to find out value added from NBFC. So that easily we can calculate it. So here we can mention NBFC value added को क्या बोलते हैं? GBMP बोलते हैं. Is otherwise known as GBAMP, gross value added at market price. So BA दोनों कैंसिल कर दो. नेट से ग्रॉस आएंगे तो क्या करेंगे? ग्रॉस डिप्रिसिएशन करेंगे. फैक्टर कॉस्ट से मार्केट प्राइस आएंगे तो क्या करेंगे? प्लस NIT. तो करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? GBMP मिल जाएगा. So net value added at factor cost NBFC value is given to which is 2000. 2000 plus depreciation. Question में नहीं है. Which value are put? Depreciation is not there in the question. Depreciation is always known as consumption of fixed capital or replacement cost also. Different types of things will be there in the question. So just you have to find out. Consumption of fixed capital is always known as depreciation. So consumption of मतलब question घुमा के दे देता है. So we have to remember that consumption of fixed capital is known as depreciation, which is known as 700. The value is 700. plus NIT value has given to you, NIT value has not given in the question, so no indirect tax value also given in the question, so only subsidy is there. Indirect tax minus subsidy, indirect tax minus subsidy, so indirect tax value is not there, minus subsidy 200, subsidy 200, no indirect tax is there. So subsidy 200, so 2000 plus 700 minus 200, 2000 plus 500 equal to 2500 equal to 2500. So 2500 means कौन सा वैल्यू मिला हमें, जीपीएमपी मिला, जिसको वैल्यू रेट बोलते हैं. तो यहाँ पे we have to cancel 2500 equal to value of output minus intermediate consumption value as given to you, intermediate consumption which is 3000 minus 3000, clear. So value of output minus 3000, so what we have to do, 2500 plus 3000 equal to value of output 5500 equal to value of output, or value of output equal to 5500, value of output equal to 5500. So what we have to do right now, question has not asked to calculate value of output, question has asked to calculate sales. As value of output value already we have find out, so from value of output easily we can calculate the value of sales. So value of output का क्या करना है, value of output equal to sales plus change in stock, delta stock equal to 5500. So sales plus change in stock is not there, but closing stock, opening stock is there. Closing stock 600 minus opening stock 100 equal to 5500. So sales plus 500 equal to 5500. So sales equal to 5500 minus 500. So sales equal to 5000. Clear? So the value of sales equal to 5000. 5000 is the value of sales which is asked in the question. So the value of sales is known as 5000, or the value is 5000 which we have calculated from the value of output. After that we can easily find out the value of sales from the following particulars. ठीक है, समझ आया? सो ये प्रोसेस को फॉलो करके सेल्स अगर क्वेश्चन पे देता है, ये प्रोसेस से हम सेल्स का वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, और एक नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम करते हैं. हाँ, सो ये प्रोसेस से हम वैल्यू सेल्स को कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. सो आज के लिए इतना ही. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में और भी बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम है